You have Glow live streaming app and you don't know how it works, you don't know how to withdraw, you don't know how to become agency, or you don't know how to join an agency, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to make sure I explain everything on this video step by step. Guys, I introduced this app yesterday and a lot of DM came. I downloaded it, my tax is not counting, which I actually show you guys what you do in order for your tax to start counting. Okay, and I'm also going to sharing with you guys more about it. Okay, how you can actually be performing your tax to start counting. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advice and this video is not on a financial advice. You are free to do your own research before joining this application, okay? Now, you can see I'm on my room performing my task and I'm actually going to show you guys how much I receive after 1 hour, which I'm actually still doing my task. But just want to do this video for those of you DMing me on my email and everything. That is the reason why I'm doing this video, okay? So now you can see the interface of this app. Beautiful. I have not seen anything bad for now. Yeah, for now I have not seen anything bad. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually decorate your room. If you want to enjoy your room when you are live, watch this video. Now, if you want to add admin on your account, you can add admin, okay? But only if you know the person that you want to add before adding. Another thing that if you want your tax to count, do not off your mic. Do not off your mic. Okay? For the reason, if you don't want anybody to come to your life, you can actually put password on your party so that no one will come to your life unless you give the person your password. Okay? This is what the password is all about. You can see room theme. Now, you can choose any image you want to add. Okay, now it is not like there's some app that before you can do this, you need to pay. But this one is free. I'm actually surprised when I'm actually click on this and this thing said that I was like, what? So this thing is where I thought that it is not free like pay, but it is actually free. Now you can see that if you click on this thing again, anyone you want to choose, you can go and choose as much as you like. Choose it on your own. But I think I prefer this particular one that is actually dancing. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. See this one, I'm actually scared on this one because I can't even stand this one. Now you can choose any image you like here, free. It's totally free for now. I don't know about maybe an update can change. Okay, now you can choose any one you choose to without you being paid for this image. Okay, so you can see the image is very beautiful, the app is beautiful. If it come to beautiful, it is beautiful, but I haven't to withdraw yet. But I'm going to be showing you step by step how I'm actually doing my tax today, and later I receive my reward here. As you can see, I'm actually perform my tax. I had to do this video because of those of you guys coming to my DM feed. I don't know anything about this app. It liked me more. So I posted the video yesterday as I said before. Now you can see different emoji you can actually use here for you to be like, this is an audio app and you need something that can be entertaining you. Okay, you actually need something that can actually entertain you, because if it is not live streaming, if you say you will open your live and someone will come to your room like you with this thing, but this one is an audio live. You don't even see someone that be come jump on your room anyhow. So everybody dey on their room, they performing their tasks. You don't even have time of going around looking for people that you can sit on their party. Just open your seat if you want to play music. Do you know that this app actually have music that you can actually play here and be like using it for, but I'm actually going to mute this particular one because of copyright, because all this music you see here, I think they're already copyrighted on YouTube and I don't want any copyright struck here. Now you can see that any music of your choice, you are good to go. Any image you want, you are good to go. You see how the image is dancing and it's actually entertaining me because when you are sitting on your room lonely, at least you have something that can be entertaining you. At least put music and you'll be enjoying yourself while you are streaming. I think the app is okay for now. Now I'm going to show you another thing. Now You can actually change your music if you want to change your music. Any music of your choice, you are like you can change it. Okay. The reason why I'm making all this thing because I'm actually performing more tasks and I need my tasks to complete so that I will show you guys how I later withdraw, as I say from the beginning of this video. Okay. Now you can comment on the comment section. If you want to comment, you can see you can comment and you can actually clear comment. Okay, a lot of things you can actually do. Like if someone came to you, like there is some people that if they came to your party room, be dropping nonsense. Okay, if anybody drop what you don't like, you can actually go ahead and clean it. As you can see, voice and video permission, you don't need to on this thing because you can, if you on it, you're not going to be seeing yourself. I wanted to try it to know if I can actually see myself here, but I didn't see myself. So no need of you turning it on as a video. You need to put it on the voice because it's actually an audio taxing app. Okay. Now you can see that you see the comments I commented here, and don't forget, always make sure you receive your gold coins up. Receive it anytime. Okay, I think they are giving every day. So I think 2,000. Yeah, I received 2,000 today. Yeah, I received 2,000 every day. You're receiving gold coins that worth 2,000, equivalent of 400. I think once it complete 2,000, it will stop. Okay, that is how for my own region. I don't know about your own region, but app work differently in different region. Now, if you don't know how to withdraw, pay attention on this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw your money in your local currency. Now, let me show you something because you might be wondering, why do I have one mic? Does it mean that then nobody will come to sit on my room? No. You can have mic as much as you want. You can have 22 mic, you can have 16 mic, you can have any mic, okay? And it is free. You don't need to pay or you don't need to pay for the seat. Okay, you can select any one you like and you can, as you can see, sing, chat, love, anyone. Okay, I go with love and you can see I prefer this one because nobody is on my room. So if you came to my room, I can actually go ahead and change my seat. But for now, I'm just staying on my own, performing my tax here. Okay, now my tax actually remain 32/60, which I still need extra hour to go. But don't worry, I'm going to make this video short. You can see that if you have followers like 10 followers, you're going to receive coins. The more your followers increase, you're going to be receiving um um gold coins on the app. Okay, now you can see, I don't even know, like I was surprised when I went to the app. I noticed that there is a lot of ranking already. Like I thought I'm actually the first person that does this app, but a lot of people have been using this app for long, but we just getting to know. Okay, so you can see they have a different type of game that you can play, ocean hunt, jungle hunt, if you're on this live streaming app, you will know what I'm talking about, ocean hunt, jungle hunt. So they are all here and you can use it coins to play it, but I haven't buy coins yet. I haven't even recharged anything. I'm just doing my thanks for now. So maybe later, if this app keep on being good for us, then I'll go ahead and recharge. For now, I haven't recharged. This is actually my honest video I'm doing right now. My honest, okay? So anything I'm doing is actually what I bring on this my platform. You can see it remain 49 for me to complete this thing. And you guys are going to be seeing me how I'm going to be receiving my 50,000 um points here. It's not only 50,000 points, but this particular one is that you are going to be receiving 100k because 50,000 1 hour, 50,000 1 hour, 2 hours is 100,000. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you the minimum of you can withdraw here on this app. Pay attention because I'm going to make sure I explain everything on this video. Now, let me just go ahead and show you something that you need to do again. Let me go back to this thing and check. As you can see, I've completed my task. Now I need to go ahead and receive. You can see successfully 50,000. It remain another 60 minutes for me to go again and claim it again. As you can see, new host reward every day. I'm going to be receiving 100k. Now I have received 50,000. It remains 1 hour for me to complete it. So you can see the coins I've been receiving from the gold coins. This thing I have. They can see I have 50,000 that is on my withdrawal now. Now this is how you can withdraw, and the minimum you can withdraw, the $10 is 1 million. Okay, and the large amount here, you can see the large. Okay, so you can see that withdrawal method, either you withdraw with your Binance, your USDT, or ePay. Okay, for now I selected Nigeria. That is why if I click on it, it's going to be showing PalmPay and OPay. Okay, which is Naira withdrawal method. But if you want to withdraw international like dollar, go ahead and select United States. That's where you're going to be seeing your USDT, Binance, and ePay. Okay, so this is how this place work. If you want to create your own agency, all you need to do is for you to, I'm going to be putting my ID. Search me on Grow Life, then send me. I'm always active there performing my tasks. Send me a message. When I see you, just send me your idea. I want to become agency. Tell me what you want, then I will send you an invite. Then you will create your own agency. Okay, all you need to do is message me on Grow Life, then I will make you an agent. If you want to become a host, my ID is going to be down on the comment section of this video. You can see the app is okay for now. And after I finish my not my 60 minutes tax again, I'm going to be receiving another 50,000, making it 100k. Okay, so and after 7 days, a lot of you have been asking me, after 7 days, what am I going to be receiving? After 7 days, you're going to be receiving 5,000 per hour, 5,000 per hour. Imagine. This is okay. It's okay for now. For now, it's okay. For my personal experience I have on this app, it's okay for now. Guys, I'm going to be stopping here. If you have any question, drop it. Thank you so much.